The ocean is a thriving ecosystem, home to over 230,000 known marine species. Coral reefs, covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, support 25% of all marine life. Whales, like the humpback, play a vital role in nutrient cycling, with their migrations spanning thousands of miles. This delicate balance, undisturbed by human activity, showcases nature's harmony. Yet this tranquility is fragile, threatened by looming industrial exploitation. In 2010, the Deepwater Horizon spill released 4.9 million barrels of oil into the Gulf of Mexico, coating 1,300 miles of coastline. Oil slicks suffocate marine life, blocking sunlight for phytoplankton, the base of the food chain. Dispersants like Corexit 9500, used to break down oil, increase toxicity 52-fold. Seabirds with oil-clogged feathers lose buoyancy and insulation, leading to hypothermia. This disaster underscores the irreversible damage of industrial accidents. Oil disrupts whales' echolocation, causing disorientation. In 2022, 12 sperm whales stranded in the North Sea, their lungs clogged with oil and plastic. Necropsies revealed toxic chemical levels 10 times above safe limits. Rescue teams face a race against time. Dehydration and organ collapse kill beached whales within 48 hours. This scene highlights the dire consequences of pollution on marine megafauna. Within hours of a stranding, the International Whaling Commission deploys veterinarians, biologists, and 200-plus volunteers. Specialized equipment includes hydraulic lifts to stabilize whales and sonar to assess oil contamination. Boats lay 3,000 feet of containment booms to prevent further spill spread. Teams work 24/7. Statistics show a 60% survival rate for whales rescued within the first 12 hours. This coordinated effort is critical for species survival. Cleanup crews deploy skimmer boats, recovering only 3% of spilled oil mechanically. Absorbent pom-poms, made of recycled plastic, soak up 40 gallons of oil per ton. Bioremediation, using oil-eating bacteria like Alcanivirax, can degrade 80% of hydrocarbons in 6 weeks. Yet 30% of oil sinks, poisoning benthic ecosystems for decades. This painstaking process reveals the limits of human intervention in ecological disasters. At rescue centers, whales receive IV fluids with electrolytes and anti-inflammatory drugs. Vets use ultrasound to monitor lung damage from oil inhalation. Each whale consumes 1,500 pounds of squid daily, a cost of $10,000 per week. Success is measured by blood tests showing reduced toxin levels. Only 15% of rehabilitated whales survive long-term due to lingering organ damage. This stage underscores the emotional and financial toll of rescue missions. Public outcry follows every spill. The 2019 São Paulo protests saw 50,000 demand an end to offshore drilling. Activists displayed jars of oil-coated sand to legislators, while petitions gathered 2 million signatures for stricter regulations. Social media campaigns Save Our Oceans trend globally, pressuring corporations. Studies show such movements reduce new drilling leases by 35%. This scene proves grassroots action drives policy change. After months of care, rehabilitated whales are tagged and released. Satellite data shows 40% migrate safely, but 60% perish from residual toxins. The spill's legacy persists. Coral reefs take 30 years to recover, and fish populations drop by 70%. As the sun sets, the ocean's resilience is tested. Will humanity learn or repeat history? The answer lies in sustainable energy and vigilant conservation.